Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and in this today's video I will try to solve a problem from LeetCode. The problem contains duplicate. So a given integer array nums return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. We have some examples here. Example number 1, input nums equal 1 2 3 1, and we have the output true, and the explanation is like this: the element 1 occurs at the indices 0 and 3. The next example is input nums equals 1 2 3 4, and we have false because all elements are distinct. And the last example, we have input nums where we have 1 1 1 3 3 4 3 2 4 2, and we got the output. I will solve the problem in C++, and I will copy this class and paste it here. I will do this problem in an external IDE. So let's see, we need to import the vector. Then we need to type here std and delete this. And now I will try to make a vector, std vector of type int, and I will give a name. I think it's a, and it will have 1 2 3 and 1, and I will create this object solution sol, and this needs to return a bool. So let's see, std cout sol dot contains duplicate and share the vector a there. So everything is all right, and now let's think about a solution. So my solution, I think it will be like this. I will make a boolean of found, which will take the value false. Then I will make a for loop. So a for loop where I will start from the index 0, and I will respect a condition here, so will not overflow the vector. Then I will increment, and also I need to take each value and check every value from that vector if it's distinct or not. So I will make another for loop, and I will start from I plus 1, and also add a condition here. Then I want to make sure if the element appears twice in the vector, and I will do a little check with an if statement. If this equals this, then we found the value. Alright, we have a little problem here. Oh, I forgot that we have a nums vector. Okay. Then if the value was found, I want to return the response, the output. So if found, then just return true. If not, we return false. But we have a little problem here because we need to restart this found value. We need to restart this found value, and this need to be restarted here. So I'll make sure this will be proper restarted to false. That's all, I guess, and let's press here, and we got a value of 1, so an element appears at least twice. Let's do another test here. Let's take this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and let's check. 0, it's okay. Then let's try to take this and let's check again. 1. So everything is all right. Now I will try to copy this code and paste here, and let's see if it will works. Let's see the test cases. Okay, everything is good here. Now let's submit it and let's see the response. Oh my god, we have time limit extended, and yeah, this is a huge vector. This is a very huge vector, I guess. But as far as I can see, we got at least 70 cases accepted from 76. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. Let's try to solve this, and let's see if we can resolve the other 6 test cases that didn't pass successfully. So the solution was good, but not for larger data. And I will try to do another approach, and I will use an unordered set, and let's see if it will work. So what I will do is declare this unordered set, then I will go through each element in the nums vector, and then I want to check if there are duplicates in the unordered set. So num return true if is it, and then insert this value, this element from the num in the unordered set. After that, I think we need also a return false, because we need to return if there are no duplicates. And let's do a little run here, and let's check for the cases. Everything is all right, and then let's press the submit button and hope the time limit extended will be resolved. Yes, it is solved. The first solution was good, but as I said, for larger data, no. At least we had 70 from 76, and it's alright, 6 cases, whatever. But yeah, it's not a really huge problem if you missed some few cases. Thanks for watching, and I will put this video into a playlist where you can watch me how I managed to try to learn doing LeetCode problems. Goodbye.